Often what we think of as forgiveness is a very colonized version of forgiveness. It's very religious based. And in that place, there's this connotation that's really intense, which is forgiveness means I'm letting someone off the hook potentially for something really shitty that they did. And that doesn't feel good to me. That's like, hell no, right? Forgiveness is really about this personal freedom. I really want you to lean into that place of, oh, forgiveness isn't about anyone. Our practice going far, forgiveness and release, isn't about going to people and telling them out loud, I forgive you. It is a personal practice that you do with you. And it might be with another person. You might be working on forgiving another person, or you might be working on forgiving yourself, but it never has to go beyond your relationship with you, because often these places where forgiveness would be so powerful, it's because it's something that weighs really heavy. It's something that takes you out of alignment. It's something that owns you and your experience, instead of something that you have awareness of and an ability to navigate, and you're unwilling to let it hold you down and play your life for you. That's really the bigger place here when we talk about forgiveness. And it's okay if it's uncomfortable or you struggle with it or it doesn't make sense.